My people, another pastor does speak at. Come listen to wetin man of God talk. He say you see all these people, all these celebrity. He say that they do different things for famous. My people, not be me they talk am. Now 2 video I go carry come. After this one I go still post another one from another pastor. When I not see before, when he say before 24 hours, make them bring it fine. My people, wetin this man of God talk. The thing, he get as he do me una, if I talk, una go say I dey talk. Shey una go listen to wetin this man go talk. Una go tell me wetin me talk. When I come across and this man difference dey. But may we ask una really sure say all these people, even though they do everything to famous, he go to the extent of them using their Pikin. That one me no know. Now only God know who use this thing to share it. Now God take the right position to judge, not we. Even the men of God, una own, e not clear. So my dear Nigerians, listen to this man of God as usual. Una know say I know they see me pass. Share this video, let it go viral. One love. Give me love and like. Bye for now. Not be me talking.
Bears all the hallmarks, it bears all the trappings of a typical ritual sacrifice situation. From everything I've researched in my life about ritual sacrifices for fame in Hollywood and in the entertainment industry. How can you have all those people in Davido's house and this my precious boy just snuck out and none of them, not the nanny, not all the other people, caregivers and every other person in the house, nobody saw him in that big house and he just took off and went straight to the pool? Nobody, no neighbor, no bystander, nobody around anywhere saw this boy. And the guy had already died underneath the water in the pool, and it took another 20+ minutes to locate. Are you kidding me? What kind of story is this? This was a sacrifice. Personal opinion. They sacrificed him on the Halloween day.
Guys, hello people, my people, wonder shall never end. Davido's song Ifeanyi was used for sacrifice. The alternate death when it happened to this small Pikin, it not just happened coincident. He will be used for a sacrifice. Oh my God. This man, whether they call evangelist Joseph, now they let us know this thing right now. Say this thing when it happen, all of us just they shout, wogo, wogo, wogo. The truth remain be say they use this Pikin for sacrifice. Now, dear me, I can't shock. I'm not gonna let you know. This video just they go viral all over the internet right now. As I see him, I'm like, what? I say make I bring her here for now, make I play and make una listen. This one shock me because this matter, it don't give me headache, so my throat self. They go alongside with the headache when they worry me. So make una watch this video because this innocent boy, the sudden RIP when it happened to her shake everybody, most especially me. It shake me and it take a lot of impact. Like you can't even believe what happened to me. So now come they hear say they use this Pikin purposely for sacrifice. Is so painful. I don't know. Let me allow you guys to watch this video till the end. Don't skip. I beg, don't skip this video. Make we listen together. Watch this video with me right now, guys. Watch.
As soon as this happened, too many people started writing me because they already know how much I know about stuff that go on in the entertainment industry, both in Africa and Hollywood, wherever. I do have some knowledge. And everybody was writing, Joe, what do you think? Do you think it was a sacrifice? Do you think Davido sacrificed his child and stuff like that? So I'm making this video not because I have done any proper research into this situation, because usually I will just take my time and research stuff and then I will speak with a tone of finality. But that's not the case here. But what I'm going to do is help you understand what I believe may have happened to Ifeanyi. And then I can compare it to the ones that has happened or that have happened to so many other stars in Hollywood and other places and see whether they bear some semblance If you ask me, Ifeanyi was a sacrifice. Pure sacrifice. Because if you look at the story surrounding the death of Ifeanyi, it bears all the hallmarks, it bears all the trappings of a typical ritual sacrifice situation. From everything I've researched in my life about ritual sacrifices for fame in Hollywood and in the entertainment industry. How can you have all those people in Davido's house and this my precious boy just snuck out and none of them, not the nanny, not all the other people, caregivers and every other person in the house, nobody saw him in that big house and he just took off and went straight to the pool? Nobody, no neighbor, no bystander, nobody around anywhere saw this boy. And the guy had already died underneath the water in the pool, and it took another 20 plus minutes to locate. Are you kidding me? What kind of story is this? This was a sacrifice. Personal opinion. They sacrificed him on the Halloween day. When they sacrificed Whitney Houston, it was during the Grammy. They always find all those little things, little moments and times and seasons, because we don't know about numerology. So they know about numbers. They put numbers together and they know when to sacrifice who. When Diana died, they also had to deal with numbers. You don't know all these things, but that's what makes me believe strongly that Ifeanyi Chukwu was sacrificed. I have not really dug deep into all the things I need to dig into. And that's why I'm just giving you personal opinion, what I believe. And in the future, if I have the time to dig into it, I will be sure to let you know what I found out, if Davido knew about it or if he didn't know about it. Because there are two scenarios that you must consider when these things happen. The first one is that the artist is aware it will happen. So they put up a show, prior to when the thing happens. And when it happens, of course, there's going to be reaction and all of that. Okay, they dramatize all kinds of stuff. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, as in the case of Kanye West, is you don't know it's coming. They don't prepare you to let you know that it's coming. For people who do not know, the devil literally sits atop the entertainment industry. And that's why over 90% of all the big names you know today have had to sell their souls to the devil. Katy Perry said, I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music, but it did not work out, so I sold my soul to the devil. Kanye West said, I sold my soul to the devil. A lot of them. Eminem had done songs where he talked about selling his soul to the devil, and he did another one where he said, be careful what you wish for. And so many, Snoop Dogg and Nicki Minaj and all these people sold their souls to the devil. And when you sell your soul to the devil, you are equipped with a demon, because now the devil owns your soul. So the Holy Spirit or your human spirit does not have the right anymore to stay in your soul. So the person that you sold your soul to then replaces whatever spirit is in your soul with his own spirit. So that's why a demon is released into you immediately, and that demon is now what they call alter ego.
So